The formula to calculate distance is speed multiplied by time. The formula to calculate time is distance upon speed, and to find speed we have to do is distance upon time. Next important thing is how to convert a given speed in kilometer per hour to meter per seconds. To convert kilometer to meter, we have to multiply it by 1000. To multiply hour into second, multiply it by 3600. 1000 upon 3600 will give us 5 upon 18. So to convert a given speed in kilometer per hour to meter per second, multiply the given by 5 by 18. And when you have to convert a speed in meter per second to kilometer per hour, multiply it by 18 upon 5. Next case is of two trains running on parallel tracks. They can either be in same direction or in opposite direction. When the trains are running in same direction, the relative speed is calculated by subtracting the speed of the given trains. The distance calculated will show the combined length of the two trains. When the trains are running in opposite direction, relative speed is calculated by adding the speed of the two trains. First question is, if a train runs at 40 km per hour, it reaches its destination late by 11 minutes. But if it runs at 50 km per hour, it is late by 5 minutes only. Find the distance traveled by the train. We know that speed is inversely proportional to time. The speed given is 40 km per hour and 50 km per hour. So the ratio of speed will be 4:5. Then the ratio of the time will be inverse of it, that is 5:4. In both the cases, distance will be speed multiplied by time. So our distance here will be 200 km. But in this case, the time lapse is of 1 hour. But in our given question, the time difference should only be of 6 minutes. 11 minus 5 will be 6. So when there is a time lapse of 60 minutes, 1 hour can be written as 60 minutes. When there is a time lapse of 60 minutes, the distance calculated is 200 km. When the time lapse will be of 1 minute, the distance will be 200 upon 60. So when the time lapse is of 6 minutes, our distance will be 20 kilometers only. In question number 2, train A 600 meter long is running at 80 km per hour will take how much time to cross a man sitting in another train which is 400 meter long running at 64 km per hour in opposite direction. The first thing to note here is the trains are running in opposite direction. So relative speed will be calculated by addition. So the relative speed will be 680 plus 64. So our relative speed will become 144 km per hour. Then we need to convert it into meter per second. To convert a given speed from kilometer per hour to meter per second, multiply it by 5 by 18. So our relative speed will be 40 meters per second. 600 meter long train. So this train is overtaking the other. So our distance will be 600 meters. We are asked time. The formula to calculate time is distance upon speed. Distance is 600, speed is 40. So it is going to take 15 seconds. Next question is, the distance between A and B is 570 km. A train starts from A at 50 km per hour at 6 am. Another train starts from B at 80 km per hour at 7 am. At what time will they cross each other? The first thing to note here is, one train is starting at 6 am and another is starting at 7 am. So by the time the train B has started, train A has already traveled 50 kilometers because its speed is 50 km per hour. So distance traveled in 1 hour will be 50 kilometers. So at 7 am, train A will reach here. The distance that both the trains will now have to calculate is 570 minus 50. That is 520 kilometers. Now observe. At 8 am, what will be their relative position? Train A will travel another 50 kilometers and train B will travel another 80 kilometers. So in 1 hour, the distance covered is 50 plus 80, that is 130 kilometers. So in how much time will they cover 520 kilometers? So to cover 520 kilometers, they are going to take 4 hours. Starting at 7 am and taking 4 hours will make them cross each other at 11 am. The next question is, two trains of equal length running on parallel line in same direction. Please note in the same direction at 46 km per hour and 36 km per hour. The faster train passes slower train in 36 seconds. Find the length of each train. So here our distance will be combined length of both the trains. Relative speed will be calculated by subtraction since they are traveling in same direction. So relative speed will be 46 minus 36, that is 10 km per hour. Now they are crossing each other in 36 seconds. So first I need to convert this speed into meter per seconds. That is 50 by 18 meter per seconds. So our distance will be speed multiplied by time. Speed is 50 by 18 and time is 36 seconds. So distance will be 100 kilometer. This is the combined length of both the trains, and it is given in the question that both the trains are of equal length. So length of each train will be 50 kilometers. In the next question, Rajdhani Express leaves Pune for Bombay at 17:30 hours. So Rajdhani is traveling from Pune to Bombay at 5:30 pm and reaches Bombay at 21:30 hours. So time taken by the Rajdhani Express is 4 hours, while Shatabdi leaves Bombay at 5 pm and reaches Pune at 20:30 hours, that is 8:30 pm. So time taken by the Shatabdi Express will be 3 hours, 3.5 hours. At what time do they pass each other? Rajdhani Express will start at 5:30. By the time Rajdhani Express start, Shatabdi will already travel some distance. Here we have assumed that the distance between Pune and Bombay is d kilometers. So speed of Rajdhani will be distance upon time taken by it. Speed of Shatabdi will be distance upon time taken by it. There is a time difference of half hour between these two. So Shatabdi will travel some distance in half an hour. Distance travelled in half hour will be d upon 3.5 into 1 by 2. It will make d upon 7. So in half an hour it will travel d by 7 distance. The distance that is left or still to be covered will be d minus d by 7, that will be 60 upon 7. Since these both the trains are traveling in opposite direction, the relative speed was d by 4. The speed of Shatabdi was d upon 3 by 5. Adding these both will give us 15d upon 28. Now we have distance and we have speed. We can easily calculate the time. The formula for calculating time will be distance upon speed, 15d by 28. So the time here is 60 by 7 into 28 upon 15d. That is 8 upon 5 hours. When we are going to convert it into minutes, it will give us 96 minutes. Adding 96 minutes after 5:30 will give us 7:06 p.m. So both the trains will cross each other at 7:06 p.m.